EDaily Conversation.
Hello. Are you Amy, the owner of the apartment?
Hello? Yes, I am Amy. You must be Ben?
Yes. Nice to meet you. Thank you for meeting me.
It is my pleasure. Come inside the empty apartment.
Wow. This living room is very bright and clean.
Yes, the big window lets in a lot of morning sun.
I love the clean white walls and wooden floor.
We painted the entire place just last week.
Is the neighborhood quiet during the nighttime?
Yes, the street is very peaceful and safe.
That is great, because I sleep early for work.
What kind of work do you do, Ben?
I work at the public library down the street.
Oh, that is a wonderful and quiet job.
Yes, I can walk to work from here easily.
Walking to work will save you a lot of money.
I agree completely. Let us see the kitchen next.
Follow me this way into the kitchen area.
Okay, I am right behind you, Amy.
The kitchen cabinets are completely brand new too. Here is the refrigerator and the gas stove.
They look very clean. Do they work perfectly?
Yes, we tested all the kitchen appliances yesterday.
Is there a microwave inside the kitchen too?
No, but you can bring your own microwave.
That is fine. I have a small black one.
There is an open electrical outlet on the counter.
Perfect. What about the hot water system here?
The hot water works very fast and reliably.
Let me turn on the kitchen sink tap to check.
Go ahead. The water pressure is very strong.
Wow, yes. The water is hot already.
We have a good heating system in the basement.
Is the cost of water included in the rent?
Yes, water is free, but you pay for electricity.
How much is the average electricity bill each month?
It is usually about $40 in the summer.
That is very reasonable for a one-bedroom place.
Now let us walk into the main bedroom.
The bedroom has a very nice view outside.
Yes, you can see the green park across the street.
I like looking at trees in the morning.
Is the bedroom big enough for your bed?
Yes, my queen-size bed will fit here easily.
Let us open the large closet door now.
Wow,
This closet has a lot of storage space.
You can hang many clothes and coats inside here.
My winter coats take up a lot of space.
There are extra shelves for your shoes, too.
Perfect. Are there any laundry machines in the building?
Yes, the washing machines are on the first floor.
Do the tenants share the laundry room?
Yes, there are 3 washers and 3 dryers.
Is it expensive to use the washing machines?
No, it costs $2 for each load of laundry.
Okay, that is convenient. I can do it on weekends.
Let us go back to the living room to talk.
Okay, I am ready to discuss the rent price. How much is the monthly rent for this apartment?
The rent is $800 every month.
Okay. Is the price fixed for 1 year?
Yes, you sign a lease for 12 months.
Do I need to pay a security deposit today?
Yes, the security deposit is $800 too.
So I need $1,600 to move in?
Correct. That is the first month plus deposit.
When can I move into the apartment, Amy?
The place is ready for you this Saturday morning.
That is perfect because I am free this weekend.
Do you have references from your old landlord?
Yes, I have a letter from him right here.
Let me read the paper letter quickly.
He says I always paid my rent on time.
This is an excellent reference letter, Ben.
Thank you. I try to be a good tenant.
I like having quiet professionals in my building.
I want to rent this apartment right now.
Great! Let us fill out the official lease application. Please sit down at this small wooden table.
Okay. I have a black pen in my pocket.
Write your full name on the first line.
I am writing my name right now, Amy.
Next, type your mobile phone number and email address.
Okay, my phone number is 555-1234.
What is the name of the library where you work?
It is the Downtown Public Library on Main Street.
I know that library. It is a beautiful building.
Yes, I love working around so many books.
Now, read the rules of the building carefully.
Are pets allowed inside the apartments here?
No, We do not allow dogs or cats here.
That is fine. I do not have any pets.
Is smoking allowed inside the rooms or balcony?
No, smoking is completely forbidden in the building.
Good. We want to keep the air fresh.
I am signing my signature at the bottom now.
Thank you, Ben. The form is complete now.
Excellent. Let us talk about the key handover.
I will make a copy of the keys tonight.
Can I meet you here on Saturday at 9 o'clock?
Yes, 9 o'clock on Saturday morning is perfect.
I will bring the cash for the rent and deposit.
I will prepare the official written receipt for you.
Thank you so much for your help today, Amy.
You are very welcome, Ben. Welcome to the building.
I am very happy to find this peaceful place.
It is a wonderful spot for a library worker.
Yes, the short walk to work will be amazing.
Enjoy your final days at your old apartment.
Thank you. I have a lot of packing to do.
Packing is hard work, so take your time.
I will pack a few boxes every night.
See you on Saturday morning at 9, Ben.
Goodbye, Amy. Have a wonderful evening.
Goodbye, Ben. Drive safely back to your home. See you soon.